Greetings and salutations, and welcome to another edition of Dixon's Digital Diary. This is a peep. This is a microwave. Let the peep destruction begin. Set for 2 minutes. We plop it down right there. Close the door. I hope we can see through this. Oh, look, there's David's legs. And start. Oh, that peep. He's a spinning and a spinning and a spinning. And he's growing and growing and growing. He's become ginormous. He's like Super Peep. He's probably getting Super Peep powers right now. Oh, no. Oh, he's broken in half. Oh, God, we can see the inside of him. Oh, the humanity! Oh, the humanity! I'm Richard Dixon, and I approve of this video. There's the aftermath. And now, here's David to handle the cremains. He was so young. Don't forget to tune in weekdays 1 to 5, 1070 WAPI or 1070WAPI.com.